Hello everyone, so the question given is the structure of peptide is given below, and this is the structure. If the absolute values of the net charge of the peptide at pH equals to 2, pH equals to 6 and pH equals to 11 are mod of Z1, mod of Z2 and mod of Z3 respectively, then what is now answer equals to 5. Solution first, at pH equals to 2, highly acidic, in highly acidic medium the given tripeptide exists as a cationic form. This is the structure. Now net charge equals to plus 2, therefore mod of Z1 equals to 2 at pH equals to 2. Now second, at pH equals to 6, a neutral solution, in neutral medium the given tripeptide exists as a zwitter ion. Net charge equals to 0, therefore mod of Z2 equals to 0 at pH equals to 6. The third is at pH equals to 11, basic medium. In basic medium the given tripeptide exists as an ionic form. This is the structure. And net charge equals to -3, therefore mod of Z3 equals to 3. Therefore mod of Z1 plus mod of Z2 plus mod of Z3 equals to 2 plus 0 plus 3, which is equals to 5.